Looking to improve the performance of your 2010 F155.4 liters Raptor truck? Team JDM has a supercharger package designed just for you. Now you can bolt on an Enclave E-Force supercharger system and boost the power from your 2009 to 2010 5.4 liters 3 volts F150. These E-Force supercharger systems are exclusively designed for each application and will allow you to boost your performance to an impressive 478 flywheel horsepower and 504 feet-per-pound of torque. The Enclave E-Force supercharger system for the 2009 to 2010 5.4 liters 3 volts F150 utilizes Eaton's new Gen V TVS supercharger rotors featuring a 4-lobe design with a full 160 of twist for maximum flow, minimum temperature rise, quiet operation and the reliability for which Eaton is known for. These rotors, however, are only the foundation of the system. The Enclave supercharger is a complete system that maximizes efficiency and performance by minimizing air restriction into and out of the supercharger. This results in maximum airflow with minimum temperature rise and minimum power consumption. In addition, Enclave converted the supercharger and packaged it down low in the valley, allowing for an incredible, industry-leading, 14 inches of running length, ultimately maximizing low-end torque. The supercharger housing itself is integrated into the intake manifold for a seamless design with minimal components, eliminating the possibility of vacuum leaks between gasket surfaces. The system also utilizes a front drive and front inlet configuration, giving it the shortest, least restrictive inlet path on the market. Sitting right above the supercharger and below the enormous runners is the largest air-to-water intercooler available, measuring an astonishing 110 square inches. This supercharger kit uses a 3.50 inches pulley to produce 7 to 8 pounds per square inch boost stock, includes Enclave's custom-tuned SCT programmer and larger 41-hash fuel injectors. These systems feature 14 inches long intake runners for maximum low-end torque, making them ideal for towing and off-road performance applications. It is also 50-state emissions legal, and can be purchased with an optional 5 years 60,000-mile warranty, so that there are no worries when installing it on your brand new truck.